Hello all, welcome to Oracle Fusion Financials program powered by Guru School Training. This is your trainer Santosh, having around 6+ years of experience and majority of my experience into Oracle Fusion Financial modules. Okay, before going into the course detail, let me explain uh, who are the Guru Schools. So Guru Schools is like we are one of the leading consulting company. So here we are going all your IT needs at one place. So majority we combine industry leading experience and our personal dedication for all your needs. See, probably this is not we are into like consulting and outsourcing partner with Fortune 1000 clients. So our first aim is like we will train the students and become expert, and we'll become you to train in expert level, which is followed by a real time employees. So all the things which will be live sessions, you and you would be working, you would be trained in all the fields. Okay. So when it comes to the training, so majority of the training is like once you enroll into the or Guru schools, will provide IT training and IT certification. You will get a live training sessions from our end and certification that will be useful the technology which you have been enrolled, and we will also provide all the interview support as required. So here we will be explaining all the important questions to face an interview. So that will be more helpful for you to to clear the interview for yourself and help you to understand the basics from end to end. So that will be a major support we will be provide. And another support is like we are going to provide the project support. This is like once you get an offer, and we will be supporting you from all the ways, like some of the configuration setup or any other document required. You need not worry. We will be supporting from our side with all the steps which you need to follow and all the procedures you need to follow once you join in your company. So next is like we have this how this training program. So once you enroll into our training program, so we would be so what are the six pillars like? So first 4 to 6 weeks is a formal interaction. We are going to explain all the topics which are required for the best in for all the setups for what are the modules you are going to cover, what are the topics you will be enrolled for all the things, and we will be supporting from all the live scenarios and setups as per the requirement. And next is like project support. The project support is like you have once you got any placement, we would be supporting from you for back up to 6 months. So the what this helps you is like the candidate need not worry for all the things he once he get a job, for all the support he can take within our within Guru schools. That is the major advantage you can get. So once you got place, so whom you need to contact support. So all the things that can be covered at one place, you within the good schools. Okay. Next is like client interview. Here we will be coaching you and preparing you for what are the important questions you need to be understand. What are the basic flow? What is end to end flow? What are the documents you need to follow? What are the steps you need to follow? For all the things, we're gonna support you in all the way. That is where it will help you in the client interview. And next is interview preparation, vendor interview. So here we will be explaining what are the important questions and what or the steps you need to explain in a real time scenario, and all the possible best ways we gonna help you. So that is the where we'll help you in the interview preparation. So resume preparation, see, based on the experience of your career, so that is how we will design your resume. So that will help you in understanding the level of it will help on the level of understanding for you. So that will make you that will definitely make you feel like comfortable, and that will definitely help you in your career. So next is like diploma certification. So here is like once you completed the course of with ours like Guru schools, we are going to provide the certification. So that certification is helpful for you to. So what are the courses you have been enrolled, and you will have a reference to a company. So next is like this 8 to 12 day program. So formal introduction. So live session, it will be used. You will be connecting through our Zoom session, including 7 separate sessions with at least 28 sessions every month. So which it will give you respective technology and course completion diploma and resume preparation according to the experience you have as per your career. So client domain and technology, including the bells. So all this. So vendor interview coaching and client interview coaching, or preparation of the client interviews or job assistant. So all these you would be receiving once you enroll this course with Guru Schools. So if you know any professional, they can join and enroll their course in Guru Schools through finance. For and once you enroll for this course, you will be getting the placement assistance and ongoing project support for up to 6 months of the support. So what are the see what is Oracle Fusion? See, we have Oracle Fusion Finance is one of the ERP application, yeah, which is like it will helpful for you. It is a cloud based. So any finance student or an account student or any graduate, they can do the course. There is no coding is required to complete for this course. This is just navigation, simple navigations that we use to complete the setup. So here it is like GL, it consists of general ledger. So this module discusses about how a company reports its balance sheet, income statement, and with and profit and loss account. So that it will be explaining in the Oracle Fusion general ledger. In the accounts payable, majorly see what are the payments we use, what are the suppliers which we use, and how you are going to pay. So that is how we are based on the payment terms. So how you are going to pay your suppliers. So that will be explained in the Oracle Fusion payables. And in the Oracle Fusion accounts receivable here, majorly when we procure something from uh, to our business, then how you are going to pay to your customers. So based on that topics, we are going to use receivables. So in the fixed assets, majorly it consists of fixed assets like land, like machinery, how you are going to bring these fixed assets into your business, and how you are going to depreciate, how you are going to value the assets. So that all the topics we will be discussing in the Oracle Fusion, Fusion fixed assets and enterprise structure. It is the latest how configuration will be done. So majorly it consists of division, business group and primary ledger. So all these things and expense module. So how an employee will be traveling to other countries by using the expense. So how that will be integrated to the expense model. So tax is how you are going to use the tax system in your company. So that all the things we will discuss in the Oracle Fusion Tax. So next coming to is like what are the topics we are going to cover and what are the basic configurations which we will be covering in all the modules based on that scenarios I have prepared this document. So in the Fusion, like Fusion implementation project, so this we discuss a new project which we have configured, which we are going to configure within our company. So what are the setups, what are the roles you need to assign, how you need to create a calendar and chart of accounts and primary ledger. So GL talks about how you post the journals and reversing the journals and how the security rules will be working and cross validations will be working. So how then next is like payables model, how you are going to configure the common options for payments in procurement and invoice option, payment options, and how you are going to create the payment process profile. So all these things will be covering under accounts payable. So in the accounts receivable, same thing, how you are going to refund the customer and revenue recognition and balance forwarding. So all these topics will be covering under this accounts receivable and cash management, how you are going to do the reconciliation. So for that, we need to use and for fixed assets, how you are adding an asset in your company, like manual addition or a quick addition. So these are all the topics which we'll be covering. So it will be a nice career to start. Your a nice way to start a career into Oracle Fusion financials with basic with base. So this is a wonderful course. If you start learning it, it would be very easy, and you can even get a good go. You can be settled in IT sector with a good amount of package. So this is a good and bright opportunity for all of you to enroll this course with Guru Schools, and hope you are all will be I will be join. I will be help you in learning this all the modules and interview preparation and resume preparation for all the things. Hope you will be joining, and that's it, team. Thank you.